Hey besties, welcome to Locks. You guys know I'm always looking for styles that give maximum vibe with minimum effort. And today we are talking about the most beautiful stressless hairstyle, which is the two braids. But forget basic. This video is here to help you make this look high-end, clean, and completely seamless. So grab your chair and your popcorn and let's get right into it. But first off, let's talk about why two-braid hairstyles are a complete game changer. They are lightweight, keep your hands out of your hair, and shield your natural strands from everyday breakage. Plus, it's very easy to maintain when you want to look put together without spending hours in front of the mirror or in the salon. The versatility of two-braid hairstyle is unmatched. You can rock this style anywhere. Keep it clean and sleek for work or classes. You can also level the style up for Sunday brunch with the girls or wear it on vacation and to the gym without stress. Rain, humidity, or workout sweat, your style still stay locked in. Now, if you want to completely elevate the vibe, add coily extensions to your two-braid hairstyle. Weaving coily pieces through the length or leaving fluffy coily ends give you that dreamy bohemian look. You can also play with color extensions, honey blonde, rich burgundy, or a soft ombre, depending on the aesthetic you are serving that week. With proper care to this hairstyle, this look will easily last you 1 to 2 weeks. Just wrap your hair with a silk bonnet or scarf at night to prevent frizz, and lightly oil your scalp to keep it hydrated. In the morning, apply a pump of mousse, tie it down for 5 minutes, and your braids look brand new. And whenever you are stepping out, do well to use your head control to lay your baby hairs so when you leave the house, you look fly. Honestly, two braids are that effortless staple everyone needs in their routine. This hairstyle is very easy to make. It saves you hours in the salon, and trust me, it leaves you looking gorgeous. So which hair color or coily extension would you pair with this look? Drop your thoughts down in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please smash the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss any style updates we have for you. Thank you for joining, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Drop your thoughts down in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please smash the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss any style updates we have for you. Thank you for joining, and I will see you in the next video.